Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special that brings back all those nostalgic vibes with a modern twist. The Polaroid now 3rd generation I-type instant film camera. And this isn't just any camera, it's the stunning Arctic Blue edition, bundled with 16 color film photos and a sleek signature series case. Right out of the box, the Arctic blue color of this Polaroid now 3rd generation is absolutely captivating. It's a refreshing take on the classic design, making it stand out beautifully. Holding it, one immediately feels the quality and the iconic shape that has defined instant photography for decades. This isn't just a gadget, it's a statement piece, ready to capture life's fleeting moments in a tangible way. As the 3rd generation, this camera comes with some thoughtful refinements that make the instant photography experience even smoother. It boasts improved autofocus, ensuring sharper images more consistently, which is a huge plus when every shot counts. The dynamic flash adjusts to lighting conditions, helping to illuminate subjects without overexposing them, a common challenge with instant cameras. Plus, the extended battery life means more shooting and less worrying about recharging, letting you focus on the fun. The magic truly happens when you press the shutter button. There's an undeniable thrill in watching a physical photograph develop right before your eyes. The included 16-color I-type film photos are the perfect starting point, allowing you to jump straight into capturing memories. These aren't just digital files, they're physical keepsakes, perfect for sharing, decorating, or simply holding onto a moment. And let's not forget the signature series case. This isn't just an accessory, it's an essential companion. Designed specifically for the Polaroid now, it offers excellent protection for the camera, keeping it safe from bumps and scratches while on the go. Its stylish design complements the camera perfectly, making it easy and fashionable to carry your instant photography setup wherever adventure takes you. This bundle is truly designed for anyone who appreciates the art of instant photography, whether they're a seasoned enthusiast or someone just discovering the joy of tangible prints. It's perfect for parties, travel, or simply documenting everyday life in a unique, artistic way. The Polaroid now 3rd generation in Arctic Blue, with its film and case, offers an unparalleled instant photography experience that combines classic charm with modern reliability. It's more than a camera, it's a memory maker, ready to bring joy and creativity to its owner.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.